Guess where I am, guys? This is our final look, guys. OOTD.
Wow, new glasses. It's so flaky. We ordered Hungarian sausage and puto bumbong.
Hi, guys. Guess where I am, guys? Andito na naman ako sa Tadan, Baguio City. Almost every year, I think every year, pupunta talaga kami here sa Baguio. And we always stay here sa John Hay kasi super maganda talaga ang vibes sa Pasko or holiday season dito sa John Hay. So, gusto ni Daddy pumunta sa mall or sa SM mamaya. So, baka yun yung gawin natin. Ito yung usual na room namin, guys. Do you guys want a room tour? I-room tour ko kayo sa aming room. Hi, guys! We are here at SM Baguio and it's already mga past 8 na ata or mag-8 p.m. Magdi-dinner tayo here at Genki Sushi. Gusto ni Ate Dars ng sushi. Na-miss niya na ang Japan. So, we're gonna eat dinner here. Order ako ng seared cheese shrimp nigiri.
Wow, new glasses. Okay, guys, this is our first sushi. This is tempura with cheese. Parang payat niya. Try this, Dad. This is our next plate.
Hi, guys! Update. It's already it's already 10:29 and we're back sa hotel. And guys, bumili ako ng lipstick from Sunny's. This is in the shade Mabuhay. I think ito yung bago nilang lipstick. Pero na-shock ako, guys, kasi sobrang liit niya lang pala. Look how tiny this is. We also got some things from H&M kanina. Hello, guys! Good morning! So, it's our second day here in Baguio. Okay lang ba yung itsura ko, guys? So, now, it's already around 9 a.m. and kakain muna tayo ng breakfast. And then, after that, babalik tayo here sa room para mag-ayos kasi gusto nilang pumunta sa strawberry farm. Alam niyo ba, guys, sobrang daming beses na namin pumunta dito sa Baguio. Pero, di pa kami nakapunta sa strawberry farm. And gusto ni Mami pumunta sa strawberry farm. So, we're gonna go there. Look at my outfit, guys. Ang cute. Nung sweater ko. Yun lang.
1, 2, 3. Support your spine, guys. Iko, sakit ng bakal. Iko. Oh, it's hurting my hand. Can you put it down? I think.
Akala ko, guys, walang mini paano chocolate, but it's here. This is my second plate. I have pancake, paano chocolate, and fruit. I also got champorado na very messy. Let's eat, guys. Medyo mukhang iba siya, guys. Parang hindi siya toasted. Sarap na champorado. So we're now back here sa room and it's already around 10 a.m. And grabe, guys, sobrang daming tao sa buffet. Diba last time nandito rin ako and then nag-buffet naman din kami. But then, maaga kasi kami kumakain. So kapag mga patapos na yung time ng buffet, sobrang dami nang naghahabol kumain. I feel like it's better if maaga kayo kakain. This is our final look, guys. OOTD. This is the face. And this is the fit. Dun, dun,
Hello guys, we're now here sa La Trinidad. Pero, I think bawal magpitas ng strawberry. Plus, parang konti lang yung strawberry nila ngayon guys. Puro cabbage. Ay, puro tawag dun, lettuce yung nakikita ko. Hi guys. Pumunta kami dito sa Hiraya by Chef Yuma.
But unfortunately, it's closed. It's already magto 2 p.m. na. And di pa rin tayo bumababa ng sasakyan, guys. Hello guys! It's already 2:58 and we are here sa Rebel Bakehouse. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4 fourth stop. Lahat guys halos sarado sila. If you guys are wondering kung saan siya, malapit lang siya sa Baguio Cathedral. And ayun, I just ordered hojicha latte, their pano chocolate, and French fries. First sip of hojicha. Hold on. Let me mix it. Parang croissant yung mandaw natin guys, yung kimchi rice. It looks like this. Wow, the pork is very tender.
Beef yan.
Ay, beef. Beef pala. Bite. Sarap. Parang bibimbap. Ayoko naman. It tastes like bibimbap. French fries. Let's try their pano chocolate. It's so big, guys. Look.
Sobrang light lang ng lasa ng hojicha.
Parang it's so flaky. I love their pano chocolate. This one. Hello guys. We are currently walking papunta sa Arts and Craft. Hi guys! So we're now back here sa hotel. I think it's around 5 p.m. And magpapahinga lang muna tayo saglit and in a bit, magpapos pa tayo downstairs kasi gusto ni Daddy magpamassage and wala naman na tayong ibang gagawin. Ayun lang naman. So, basically everything ng pinuntahan natin for today, sarado. Excited pa naman sana ako guys pumunta dun sa strawberry farm kasi never pa talaga namin na-experience mag-strawberry picking here sa Baguio kahit palagi kaming nasa Baguio. So, ayun, sayang. And then, I was looking forward to try yung Hiraya Cafe kasi ang taas ng rating niya guys sa Google. Unfortunately, sarado siya kasi maintenance day ata nila kapag Saturday or baka this January lang. Hello guys! So now, pupunta tayo guys sa Nike outlet store near the hotel. Let's see what's in there. Gusto ni Daddy puntahan. So, puntahan natin. Ayan, ang ganda na ng mga ilaw sa labas. Charan! Ah, sige, 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 sige. Guys, bawal mag-video. Pero nag-video. Sa garden ng hotel, and we are gonna eat some snacks. We ordered Hungarian sausage and puto bumbong. Okay, so this is our hotdog sandwich unboxing. Ta-da! Kain tayo. Outfit for today, guys. Magsisimba tayo. Just wearing a blue cardigan, pants, and Salomons or white sneakers. Ta-da! We just finished eating lunch. And now, balik muna tayo sa room kasi meron kaming massage schedule at 3 and it's already 2:30 p.m. Nagpalit lang ako ng bottoms, so I wore shorts now. White shorts na lang. Para madali later sa spa. Relax muna ako. Guys, if interested kayo kung anong itsura ng one bedroom suite dito sa John Hay, ayun lang guys. Hi guys, it's already 7:20 and we are here at Army Navy. Kakain na naman tayo. Kain na tayo ng dinner guys. I ordered quesadilla and freedom fries.